As everybody know, that poor must always come to poor. When we come poor today, I want to quickly respond to most of the people inboxing me. Choose why is it that you're not supporting Biafra with full force, with that agility, with that ginger. And I'm like, the reason why I'm not supporting Biafra with full force, that doesn't mean I'm not in support of Biafra. You understand? But there are some kind of things that I'm afraid of when Biafra should come. And what is that thing? That is this problem of majority and minority. Although we're already facing such problem in Nigeria as one Nigerian, because the Hausa man see themselves as the majority, as the on top people when it comes to Nigeria. They don't see we the Igbos as one. The Yoruba people, maybe they see them more related than Igbo. You understand? So that is one of the major problems coming from minority and majority. And if this Biafra should come, this is what I'm afraid of. And this is the reason why I'm not giving that full force for Biafra. And what is this problem? Majority. Now it's going to be like Enugu State, Ebonyi State, Imo State, Anambra. They're going to see themselves as the majority. And I feel like they're going to see we as the Anyoma people, Kwale, Agbo, Iseluko, Gwashuku, Ibuzo, Ibodo, the Calabar people, the Ikwere, One. So I feel like they're going to be looking like majority and minority. So this is one of the problem. And this is one of the things that I am afraid of. And that is why you see me, I don't give that full force supporting Biafra. But I support Biafra. Try to understand me. It is something like, I'm afraid of this thing. Okay, but I feel it will be more better. You understand? Because I believe whatsoever that will come out in Biafra land is not going to be worse than what we are facing now in Nigeria. So I believe it's more better we follow that lane. And I want to use this medium to plead to Nnamdi Kanu. Please, when this Biafra thing comes out, please and please, we shouldn't have that problem of majority and minority. I pray that Biafra should come. I'm in support of Biafra. But what I'm afraid of is, are you people not going to be looking at us as the minority, we the Ika people, Agbo people? And one thing again, I don't know if we the Ika people, the Anyoma people, are in support of Biafra as much, because I don't see much people from that side agitating. So maybe from that time now, it's going to be that problem. And when we are fighting for Biafra, the Agbo people, the Anyoma people, there was no one coming out to fight. But we are fighting, we are. But one of the major things that people like us are afraid of is that majority and minority. So please, if this Biafra should come, please, that minority should not be invoked, because that is one thing that is killing Nigeria now. The Hausa people see themselves as the top. And that is why you see them fighting the Igbo man. Whenever they are making success, whenever they are doing something. Look at Dangote. He's the most richest man in Africa. He's from Hausa land. And are you going to tell me that the thing that is dealing, that the government don't know about the thing that is dealing? Yes, he's rich. But if an Igbo man is rich like that, then we attack him, because that is the problem of majority and minority. So that is the reason why when I'm fighting for Biafra, I don't fight with the full force. It should switch off and switch on. Remember that if you follow me back to back, you remember that when Shiwole was campaigning, I tried as much to campaign for him simply because I wanted a new system of government. Now Tinubu wants to come for presidency. The old cargos that have been there since 1960 they are still the people who is on the table. If you're going to higher institution now, you want to study political science, you want to become a politician, you're just wasting your time. It's not going to work out for you. You're just killing your time. So you see, so that is why we're fighting for Shiwole that time. And now, Nnamdi Kanu now, I'm supporting Nnamdi Kanu more now, because I have no option. I have no choice than to support Nnamdi Kanu. Because I believe when this Biafra comes, anything that comes out, we have passed through it before. Is it the bad electricity, bad road, bad health center? If that thing should be invoked in Biafra now, we have passed through it. But at least let's give a try and let's give a support. That's what I'm supporting. But I'm afraid of majority and minority. That is my major problem. That is why I don't support Biafra with full force. So please, people should try to understand me. And please, let's not have issue of majority and minority, because it's going to be another problem when Biafra comes. Believe me. See us as the Igbo people as one. Because me, I see the Igbo people as my family. Because when Igbo man speak, I understand. But my problem is when we speak, Igbo man don't understand us as much. But I believe we are one. But some Eka people, some Anioma people don't believe we are one with Igbo. But if this country should be divided into 3 parts now, Hausa going on, Igbo going on, Yoruba going on, you will find out that the Eka people, we are going to follow the Igbo. So we are Igbo. So, and this name, Delta Igbo, to me, it's like a name of confusion. We are all Igbos. All of us are Igbo. We answer almost the same name. The language is similar. So please, that is all I have to say, Let's not, I pray we should not have that issue of majority and minority. Because that's what I'm afraid of. That is one thing that I'm afraid of. And I'll be very happy that Biafra should come. And it's going to come. You know why? Because I'm be skin to skin that they're pouring. I pour it at the right place and never at the wrong place. Boto. Inside. Steady. Boom!